For IDO number 4, solve the volume of the given figure. Right away, I notice that the given figure has three solid figures combined together. We have the hemisphere, we have the cylinder, and of course, we have the cone. The hemisphere is half of the sphere. The cylinder is a cylinder. And the cone is like the tip of the solid figures that we have. In order for us to solve this, we must add the volume of the hemisphere to the volume of the cylinder to the volume of the cone. And knowing each dimensions is crucial for this. Hemisphere needed a radius. Cylinder needs radius and height. And cone needs a radius and as well height. One thing common about these three shapes is that the hemisphere, cylinder, and the cone all have circles. And I can see right away that the radius of the circle is 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeters. Since the bases are identical to one another. Now, we need the height. For the cylinder, the height, which is this portion of the solid figure that I highlighted, is 10 centimeter. So I'm going to place 10 centimeter for the cylinder. For the cone, is 1.5 centimeter. Now all we need to do is plug this to our formula. I took the liberty of typing all the formulas now in one Desmos. Cylinder being the first one, number 2 will be for the cone, and number 3 for the sphere. Now, please take note that the volume for the sphere is for the whole sphere. We need half of it since we only need the hemisphere. All right, so we plug in the radius. Radius being equal to 2 and the height being equal to either 10 or either 1.5. I will use 10 for now for the cylinder. So I'm going to check my cylinder here. My cylinder is this formula since I plug the height of the cylinder. So the volume is 125.66. That's for the cylinder. Now, I'm going to change the height into 1.5. So that we can accommodate cone. And cone formula is the middle one. Observe, it's 6.28. Finally, for our hemisphere, we don't need any height nor any other height. So we're just going to simply get 33.5. But, again, as I mentioned, we need to divide this by 2 since we are referring, or the problem is being asked for the hemisphere. So I'm going to divide that by 2. The answer is 16.75. Lastly, we need to add the volume of the hemisphere to the volume of the cylinder to the volume of the cone. And the answer is 16 point plus 125.66 plus 6.28. Total volume is 148.69. Total volume. Cubic centimeters. That's it.